Hey, today I'm drawing the snake skull knife thing. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So this was part of a month-long drawing prompt, and they just gave you like a prompt to draw something, and this one was a skull, snakes, and a knife or knives. And so I doodled this up really fast. Now, just to give you a heads up, I know it's not perfect. This is totally a doodle. This is art. There's no rules. I know I could have done this better. I can still do it better, but it was a doodle. I figured I'd throw this up here, show you folks that, there's no rules. It doesn't have to be perfect. The idea here is I had a lot of fun drawing it. And at the end of the day, I was actually, I did something creative, and I have this thing, and I get to share it with you folks. So this is it. I kind of kept it pretty basic, flat colors. I did do the greens with the red contrast to kind of give it that kind of a 60s style monster decal thing. But I kept it pretty straightforward. Again, it is a doodle. I know it's not perfect, but the idea is here, maybe you could take from this and think, hey man, I can do this. If Charlie can do it, I can do it. And so I know the eyes aren't the same size and the snakes aren't the same, but that's okay because I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know. Maybe I'll get a tattoo of it. We'll see. I don't know. But I threw an orange background on it. There you go. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you around.